Cha 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 Igbo kwenu, hey, Igbo kwenu, hey, Igbo kwezenu, hey. Welcome guys to our channel. My name is Jennifer from Vika Studio, and today I'll be teaching you guys the Enugu Cultural Dance steps. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes on my previous video. Please, if you do like my previous video, keep subscribing and keep sharing. Guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you enjoyed this dance. Please, if you did, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and also share this video. As you guys know, I told you that I'll be teaching you the Enugu Cultural Dance steps. This dance is so easy. Don't think it's hard. So let's dig down into it. The first step is like this. You go up, you come down. You go up again, you come down. You go up again, you come down. So that is that for the first step. So the second step, we are going to make use of our hands so that it's going to move well with the legs. So guys, let's go. So it's like this. So that is that for the second step. And when dancing, you don't have to stand, so that the dance will look beautiful and you're going to smile. So that is that for the second step. The third step, we're going to make use of our hands. And our hands is going to be straight. And you relax so that you'll be able to use your shoulders. So, and we're also making use of our legs. So to be like this, your hands straight, then your toes be at the floor like this. So it's going to be like this. So let's add our hand. So it's going to be like this. So let's make it a little bit faster. Then smile. So that is that. So let's go to the fourth step. So this fourth step, we are still going to use our hands too, but in different styles. So it's going to be like this. And we are using our toes too. So guys, watch me very well. So it will be like this. So guys, let's make it a little bit faster. And please, when dancing, smile and don't stand. So let's go, guys. So that is that for the fourth step. So let's go down to the fifth step. So guys, the fifth step is going to be like this, but we're going to turn our back. We're going to turn our back. So we're going to make use of our shoulders and our back. So it's going to be like this. For the back, it's going to be like this. Then when adding our shoulder, it's going to be like this. And we're also making use of our legs. So guys, let's go. So guys, let's do. So let's go down. And smile. So guys, that is that for the fifth step. So let's go down to the sixth step. The sixth step is so easy. And we're going to make use of our waist. So first of all, we're going to exercise our waist so that our waist will be flexible when dancing. So we're also going to make use of our legs. So it will be like this, guys. Like this, like this, like this. So let's make use of the waist. So it's going to be like this. Let's make it faster. Then smile. So that is that for the sixth step. So let's go down to the seventh step. This seventh step is so easy. We're still going to use our toes, but we'll go down. And we are going to use our right hand. So it will be like this. It will be like this. So we are doing it like this, like this, like this. And let's use it to walk. So it will be like this. Then smile. Then if you feel like adding your hand, you can add your hand also. So that is that for the seventh step. So guys, let's combine everything together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and also share this video. Stay tuned. Watch more videos. Thank you guys. I love you.